Hey, hello guys. I just wanted to make a quick video that I believe will be very helpful to a lot of men and a lot of single women. I've been to a lot of homes. When I've entered the bathroom, I noticed that the shower was running slightly, sometimes in a major way, and the people at the house just let it run. Why? Because they don't know how to fix it and they're not trying to. So they rather just let their money run down the drain, or they try to just turn it on and off whenever they want to use it to conserve the water. So let's just show you today how to do it, what things you need. It's very simple and very quick, and you can get back to living a normal life and stop being a weirdo, okay? So some of you may have, now what I'm talking about is the water leaks. You ever go to a house or in your house and the water's doing this? You hear that? You see that? You ever been to someone's house and the water's turned completely off and this is what it's doing? That's because there's a piece inside of the handle here that's not closing all the way. And the piece is, ta-da, this here. It's called a diverter. Can you see that good? Sorry guys, it's a little shiny in here. But this is in every shower that known to man. Some of you may have a single handle shower. Some of you may have dual handle showers. This happens to be a dual handle shower. That's the hot side, this is the cold side. The issue was that my cold side was leaking. This tip of this was not closing all the way when you turn the handle. It's supposed to spin and close all the way, and that's what stops the water from running. A lot of these go bad and they get old. They don't make them like they used to. They make them out of this cheap stuff that they have now. It is what it is. You got to get these things replaced. And that is the answer to the problem. Now, how do you replace it, you ask? First of all, you have to know what brand of shower that you have. This one is a Delta. Just look on the shower. Somewhere it's marked on your shower somewhere what type of brand that you have. And you have to find one of these that fits the brand that you have. This is the exact fit for this. Yours will not look exactly like this if you don't have this type, but it'll be white. It may be a smooth surface here, but it's the same concept. Now, what you need is this. Some people call it an Allen key. Some people call it an Allen wrench. But you take this and you go into the side here and you unscrew a little baby screw, little tiny screw. Unscrew that, bang. Don't lose it, because you'll be mad. Then you take this off after you unscrew it. Take it off. That then will expose a piece of this hanging out. You'll see a piece of this hanging out of here, as well as the catch. You unscrew the catch. You pull this out. Ugh. You may need a wrench, just so you know. You may need a wrench so you can grip it and pull it out. And once you pull it out, that's it. You're done. You take the old one, you throw it away. You take the new one, and you see it has a little seat right here. See that little? You sit that. It's a hole on the other side. You stick this in. Bam. That'll sit inside. You put the catch back on, you screw it back in so this locks in, so when the water blasts, it doesn't go pew and go across the street. So it locks in there. You put your handle back on, screw it back with the Allen key, make sure it's tight, and then you can do this. See how that just stopped? That's how it's supposed to work, ladies and gentlemen. So, don't let your water run all down the drain and along with all your finances. And don't let your company think you're a weirdo. Just fix the faucet, man. It's really simple. Now, I like to give a lot of videos that's helpful to man, women, and child, aka family. Yay! We're all about family here. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm telling you, I have tons of jewels to drop for you guys. If you look down in my archive, there's tons of things there right now. We like to focus on health and wellness of the inner body, but guess what? We got to live outside the body too. That's why I offer other things. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.